Welcome. In front of me I have COROS Pace 3 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. So the unpairing is useful if you want to, for example, connect your watch to a different device, or maybe you want to give it to somebody or sell it to somebody. That would probably require you to unpair it from your account. And to do that, you can open the COROS application on the iPhone that is paired with your watch. Tap on the profile icon, and here you should see COROS Pace 3. Now tap on it. Then wait until it's connected. Scroll down, tap on remove, tap on remove. And the watch will start resetting itself to the factory default settings. As you can see here, we have an additional step. Basically, what we need to do is to tap on the key, close the app, open the settings on our iPhone, tap on Bluetooth, and here on the list of my devices, you will see the COROS Pace 3. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on forget this device, and tap on forget device. And once you forget it, close the settings, and that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.